What if there was a treatment for horses with leg injuries that allowed them to resume activities in half the time? And let's imagine that horses with that treatment got re-injured 5 times less than with other treatments. And then let's visualize that this revolutionary all-natural stem cell therapy could be administered the day of diagnosis and sold for 37% less than competing products that aren't as effective. Would you call that a miracle? AniCell is an exciting new biotech company that extends the active life of animals with products generated non-invasively from the miracle of birth to accelerate regeneration of tissue and bone. At any given time, roughly 350,000 horses are laid up due to injuries curable by stem cell therapy, but current therapies are invasive, costly, and marginally effective. Horses today have evolved to the level of the sports superstar in all areas, from racing to polo, jumping to rodeo. The owners of these equine athletes depend on their performance every day. But not unlike athletes, these horses sometimes end up on injured reserve. With AniCell's Equicell therapy, we are the miracle treatment, and we provide natural solutions to these injuries. Not simply treat symptoms, and we do it all in a safe and caring way.
Welcome to AniCell. My name is Brandon Ames, AniCell's President and CEO, and we are so excited to be a part of the 2016 Spring AIC grant process. We're here in Las Vegas, Nevada, where we're at the Western Veterinary Conference, where AniCell will be exhibiting its product lines with 400 other exhibitors to 16,000 veterinarians and industry professionals. We will be releasing our AniCell product line 1 full year ahead of schedule.
By all accounts, it's been an amazing year, which started in April when the company was formed. We hired our team in May, moved into our lab, and got our first funding in June. We completed our first collections in July. In August, provisional patents were filed and our first products were tested on animals. First sales happened in September, and in October, we began our phase 1 field trials and doubled our sales. It has only continued from there. AniCell has made a phenomenal impact in the lives of animals. Our human-tested, animal-approved products were designed to be cheaper, faster, better, safer, and more convenient than anything in the marketplace to date. And these products are proving it, treatment after treatment. The following graphic photos will tell the story of just a few of the lives that we have affected. For example, this here is Richie, a 29-year-old gelding who had a skinning injury to his face in which he lost the majority of skin on his forehead. He was treated by Dr. Arlena Pipkin of Bakersfield, California. Here is the progression of Richie's wound, and this is what it looks like a couple of short months later. Notice there's no scarring and it continues to heal. And here's Flash Henry, a 9-year-old female Labrador Retriever. Flash had a TTA surgery performed on her cranial cruciate ligament, or ACL in human terms. Dr. Lucas Tomey of Apex Animal Hospital in Helena, Montana performed the surgery with AniCell Allomotion. And in 7 days, Flash has full range of motion and can sit square on the leg. Or let's look at Diesel, a 9-year-old show horse who got caught in a barbed wire fence on June 1st, 2015. Diesel had a medial tract that went clear to his hock, which is very dangerous due to the chance of hock infection, which could lead to euthanizing the animal. Diesel was hospitalized at North Carolina State University Equine Hospital. Dr. Lauren Schnabel called AniCell on day 73 of the wound, and she treated it using StemWrap and StemWrap Plus on day 74. After the owners had spent $15,000 in over 2 months to heal Diesel, Equicell's StemWrap product was able to heal the medial tract by day 6. This is Diesel's 2 months after his treatment with no limp and no issues. Our latest case is Elmo, a 25-year-old pony with corneal ulcer. Elmo was scheduled to have his eye removed after 2 months of traditional therapies failed to heal the ulcer. Dr. Aaron Moore used Equicell's Allo-Ocular to treat Elmo, and 20 days later, the ulcer was healed over and sighted return to the eye. The result? Hannah, whose active life with her pony had been interrupted, now has her Elmo back, and she's tickled. All this serves as evidence of the efficacy of these products and speaks to the bright future of AniCell Biotech.